Hi y'all, Chuck from Alaskan Ballistics. Going to be shooting the Browning BXP. We've tested this before in the Glock 30. I have put my Glock 21 back in the stock configuration, stock trigger. It's still got night sights on it. Still an old police trade-in gun. Alright, I'm not shooting 45 super out of it today, but regular 45 auto, so I put it back in stock configuration, stock 4.5 inch barrel. Alright, we're going to see what these rounds chronograph. Alright, and then we're also going to see what they do in some cantaloupes and water jugs and so forth. Gonna show you the round here. Got that X point in it, little cross, supposed to keep the hollow point from clogging up. I like the dark nickel casing. Wasn't too impressed with their 22 ammo. This seems to be accurate, and we're gonna see how it goes out of a full length barrel, or 4.5 inch barrel. Make sure you click like and subscribe. Alright, check out the other video I did with the Glock 30 on this ammo. You can actually see the bullet bouncing out of the water jugs in that video. Alright, and we will go ahead and start shooting. Chuck from Alaskan Ballistics, shooting the Browning BXP hollow point, 230 grain, eye protection on. We're about 10 feet from the chronograph. So apparently I forgot to hit my camera when we were recording the Browning BXP. I'm going to take 2 shots just so I can get some on there. We had everything from 875 to about 912. 902.3 is the reading that's on it now. So apparently I forgot to take shots of it. So I'm going to take 2 more shots. Now that this camera is recording, we'll save 1 shot for the cantaloupes and the water jugs. .876.1. .905.1. Alright, check out the add up slide at the end of the video, see the results. Now we're going to shoot some cool stuff with it. Alright, we got 1 round of the Browning left. We're going to see if we can cover the bullet. I've got a cantaloupe and 3 water jugs. Got the slow-mo camera now on the side. See how that works out. Alright, here we go. 1 round, Glock 21, 4.5 inch barrel, cantaloupe, 3 water jugs, Browning BXP. Well, it made a nice even split of that cantaloupe. Showing you the Browning BXP, the 230 grain, what it actually did. It literally sliced the cantaloupe into fifths. Look at that. Sliced into fifths into 1 water jug afterwards. Alright. And the bullet happens to be sitting in the bottom, I think. I think I saw it earlier. So yeah, there it is. We're gonna pull it out of there, see if we can get it, and show it to you. Alright, here's that Browning BXP hollow point. As you can see, destroyed the cantaloupe. We were able to cover the bullet this time. Opens up a lot like a Federal HST or SIG V crown. Alright, you see the metal petals of the copper jacket, and then the mushrooming flowery like petals with ridges of the lead there. Looks like it retained most of its weight. See the bottom side's pretty mangled. That might be from the cantaloupe. Might just be from the water. There we go. Alright, Glock 21, BXP. Alright, so including the one that was on the chronograph and the 2 shots, I got an average muzzle velocity of 894.5 feet per second. This translates to an average muzzle energy of 408.74 foot-pounds.
Now, make sure you like and subscribe, even though I messed up on the video.